Well, hello folks, and welcome to another episode of the Hold Fast Garage. Those of you that have been paying attention know that my goal is to drive this car, which currently doesn't have an engine, in a parade in my hometown, July 11th, 2026, which is 7 months and about a week from now. And if you watched the last episode, you know that this driver's seat was giving me some trouble, didn't want to come out. So I got an expert here with a new strategy.
I say we take off, nuke the whole thing from orbit.
Sounds about right.
Fire.
Okay. What was that?
Huh?
What'd you say?
I don't see. Like any space starting to open up yet.
Oh. Some.
Well, maybe I can get out of this. No? Okay, it's gonna be that way. You're gonna fight me the whole way.
Yeah. She will do that.
Coming easier.
Can you get the ratcheting wrench on it yet?
I should be. Yeah.
That the right one?
No.
There you go.
Of course it ain't.
Well, there we go. It's one down.
It is.
All right, so what we did, use the line wrench, which given the angle and the fact that it's 6-point, gives you more coverage on the bolt, easier to get leverage on it. We also got ourselves a big old piece of pipe to use as leverage if need be. So that's still in our toolkit. But anyway, that front one's coming out, which is good. But let's.
Okay.
I don't think the line wrench is gonna work on this one back here.
Well, try it.
No.
I'm gonna put these bolts back on, nuts back on. Bracket, because it doesn't.
Oh, maybe.
It's surprising how much 6-point coverage will do.
No, nope. I'll let you take a try at it, but I don't. It does not appear to be working at all.
No, this turns.
Yeah.
Okay.
Time for fire?
I think so.
Okay.
There you go. There you go. Perfect. Any WD handy?
Yeah. Those green cords aren't nearby there, are they?
No, I put them up above.
Okay. You off?
Hmm?
Yeah, okay.
Well, we got some on it while it was hot. Okay. See if by any chance that'll.
So the application of heat is not simply to satisfy a pyrotechnic urge,
No.
right? And we heated it up and then sprayed some WD-40 on it to try and let, as it contracts, to draw the WD into the threads,
Right.
right? And the expansion and contraction by itself helps to loosen things, but then you add a lubricant and you're halfway there.
Nope.
In theory.
Yeah, that's not gonna work. Oh man.
Who's under here smoldering?
Oh, it's just.
Huh?
Just a little steam, huh? Is there anything burning?
That's
Nah.
burn smell to it. How's that?
A little more. There you go. I'm annoyed.
Well, we've reached that point. Let's see here. It's not gonna be. Oof.
It'll be easier to push.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, there goes nothing. Yep.
There's so little left of it that it won't even.
Try the line wrench. And it's going. Is it out?
No, it's almost there.
Ha!
Told you the saw would scare it. Hot diggity dog. Oof da.
That's what I said.
Trying to remember that repeated heating does eventually almost always get them.
Yeah.
Oof. Okay. Everything's loose.
Yep.
Pick it up.
Yep. Let's pick it straight up, take it halfway, and then I can reposition.
Yeah.
Because I'm gonna have to climb over stuff.
Gotcha.
Oh, seatbelt.
Seatbelt.
Dang it. I'm not standing on this. Okay, try again. Oh,
It's gonna slide through that hole.
I knew that.
We can work it.
Ow! Wow.
What?
The seat stabbed me. Okay, tilt it up towards you. Sorry, this way. There you go. Yep, just pull it out.
Half?
Yeah.
Okay.
All the way.
Hot diggity damn. That is good. That is nice.
Oof. That'd be nice.
Don't do that. Oh, okay. Now cleaning and stuff we can do. And pull that one then?
May as well.
You get them both.
Should be relatively easy to come show the sergeant how it wants.
Yeah. And does that one move forward?
What's that? No.
Does it see?
Nope.
It's not electric, is it?
No.
Okay. So stuff's not in your way?
So the seat adjust, I haven't tried. Now that I think about it.
Easy. Is it loose?
I'll let you.
Well, there we go.
Yeah.
That looks a whole lot better. A little less drivable, unless you're long-legged.
Indeed. All right. Well.
Damn, we did it.
Sure did.
Yeah.
No. All right. You ready? Well, folks, as you can see, both seats are now out. The passenger seat had come out previously, so that was much easier to do. Those are brand new nuts and bolts anyway, so those came right out. We got the seats in the shed, and we're gonna get some work done. Maybe get some new pans, foot pans welded in. And as you saw, the repeated heating and cooling of the fastener is what did the trick.
There was one stubborn fastener in a nut on a stud in the back that just simply was rusted to it, the stud.
Yeah.
And we heated it, sprayed it, heated it and sprayed it, and tried turning it first with the wrench, then with the vice grip. Didn't get it. Tried one more heating and spray lubricant. Still didn't get it. I had resolved us to saw the thing off.
Yeah.
We'd figure it later. We put the saw in there and was trying to get around it, and it was a little awkward, and so I said, you know what, let's just try one more heating. So we tried the heating one more time, put the wrench on it, and got it to turn. So if you do have patience with heating and cooling them, it can work miracles, and it actually did on this one. We're very happy about that. Saved the fasteners and didn't have to,
well, save the stud.
Tap and die something in later.
Yeah. Yep. So be patient. unlike Bella,
hard
who's
to do
barking in the
sometimes.
background. Yes. So Dad's in town for what, week and a half?
Yeah.
So stay tuned, because there's a lot more coming. We're gonna do short one-day episodes for a little bit here, and hopefully, well, definitely we will get some good work done.
We'll make some progress.
Indeed. So if you like what you see, tell your friends.
Tell your enemies.
And we'll see you in the next episode.